Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to curl your hair heatless, especially when you have medium hair like I have. So if you want to see how I achieve my heatless curl, please continue to watch. I like how my hair looks in first day, today and maybe tomorrow, but I was used just to curl it, and when I have long hair the curls looks better, but I don't like the flat feeling of the hair in the second or on the third day. So now after I wash my hair and just let air dry, I will curl it with my headband, because today I stay at home. I will show you how I put my headband just to have a nice volume and a little bit of curls on my mid-ends. I curl my hair especially in the first day of washing it, because my hair it is fresh and have a nice texture. So today I wash my hair, and if you want to see what product I have used just to achieve this shiny hair, I will insert the link of the video in the description box below. So now I want to show you how you can quickly curl your hair with no damage from the heat. All you need is a headband and two clips. I curl with my hair with this method for 3 or 5 years from now, because I have fine hair, and just with other method that includes heat, my hair was in such a bad condition, especially when I have blonde hair. So now that I came back to my brunette look, I want just to maintain my healthy hair, because I was struggling with hair loss and damaged hair, and I don't want to put heat anymore on my fine hair. So I just brush my hair very well, and I will separate my hair into parts. I will put the bandana like this. It's not the prettiest look, but I don't go anywhere today. And especially at night I put my hair like so, because it is easier just to sleep with this headband. So I take a piece of my hair and just wrap it around the headband. If you have more hair, you can put 2 or 3 parts of hair, but I want some loose curls, so I just take now the rest of my hair and just put around the headband, and at final I will secure it with this clip. So same in this part. If your hair didn't stay flat in this part, it isn't a problem. When you take out the bandana, you will look very nice. So sometimes when I feel my hair dry, I put some hair oil, but now I did my 4-step treatment and my hair doesn't need more moisturizing product like the oil. So same with this part. Secure it, and it's all done. You just have to let sit for at least 2 or 3 hours, and then you're ready to go and to have nice curls. If your hair tends to not hold the curl so much, you can put in this moment some hairspray just to make your curl less even better. But I want my hair naturally without hairspray, and I will leave my hair like this and after a couple of hours, or maybe I will sleep with this, I will show you the result in the evening or tomorrow, guys. So this is my hair after I curl my hair with my headband. I'm so pleased with the result. I have a lot of volume, and it is a heatless method, so give it a try if you have short hair or even long hair. If you like this video, please subscribe and thumbs up to my video. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye, guys.